Hi, my name is Amit. I am a CAT trainer at MBA. We are a CAT training institute based in Patna. We're going through this geometry question based on triangles. Let us go through the question first and then we'll discuss how to solve it. The question says that AD is to DE is 2 is to 1. So this is AD, this is D. This ratio is given as 2 is to 1. BE is to EC is also 2 is to 1. So BE is to EC is also 2 is to 1. And AF is given as 8 centimeter. So this is the data given in the question. We have to find AC. This is not AB, this is AC. We have to find AC. Now how shall we proceed in this question? No, think about, no, this is a triangle question. So think about theorems and properties related to triangle. Which property, which theorem can be applied here? Now, prima facie doesn't appear to be a question based on similar triangle because there is no common case of similar triangle, which is obviously very obvious from the question. Say, for example, we know that similar triangle concepts are applied whenever in a triangle you draw a line parallel to any side. Then the smaller triangle and the larger triangle are similar. Similarly, in a right angle triangle, if you draw perpendicular no like this, then these two smaller triangles and the original triangle are similar. So these are some common cases. One more common case is that in a triangle, if you find a line like this and then any two angles, say these two angles are said to be equal, if this is theta, this is also theta, then one smaller triangle and the larger triangle are similar. So these are some of the common cases of similar triangle. एक triangle में एक parallel, एक side के parallel एक line draw कर दिया जाए तो smaller triangle और resulting bigger triangle similar होता है. एक right angle triangle में जिस पॉइंट पे 90 डिग्री बनता है जिस वर्टेक्स से, वहां से हाइपोटेन्यूज पे एल्टीट्यूड डालें तो छोटे ट्रायंगल्स और बड़ा ट्रायंगल क्या होता है, सिमिलर होता है. एक ट्रायंगल में, किसी भी ट्रायंगल में एक वर्टेक्स से अपोजिट साइड पे एक लाइन ड्रॉ किया हुआ हो और इस तरीके से दो एंगल इक्वल करके दिया हुआ हो, देन एक छोटा ट्रायंगल और ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल आपस में सिमिलर होता है. वी नो दैट these are some of the common cases of similar triangles. Now, in this question, none of these appear to be applying very clearly because there is no parallel line given. Similarly, there is no right angle triangle given here. तो ये वाला केस भी नहीं होगा, ये भी केस नहीं होगा. दो एंगल इक्वल होना चाहिए, तो यहाँ तो किसी एंगल की बात ही नहीं हो रही है. So even the third case is not appear as if this is also not applicable. But many a times in geometry, the figure is incomplete. You can easily solve the question if you draw one extra line. So this is one such question where the figure is not complete. You will have to draw some extra line in order to get to the answer. And CAT asks these types of questions also where the figure is incomplete. You'll have to first complete the figure and then you'll be able to solve the question here. Now look here. If from E point, if you draw a line like this, which is and let's say this point is G. So we have drawn EG parallel to DF. We have drawn EG parallel to DF and BF both these, DF or BF, whatever it is. DF is same. BF is extension of DF. So EG is parallel to DF or BF like this. Now if you look at triangle AEG, look at triangle AEG. AEG, this triangle. Okay, let me draw it here for you. So this triangle is AEG, right? Now in this triangle, this line DF is parallel to EG. So we can say triangle ADF, the smaller triangle, is similar to bigger triangle AEG, right? So if this ratio is 2 is to 1, if AD is to DE is 2 is to 1, so you can also say that AF is to FG, will also be 2 is to 1. And AF we know it is 8 centimeters, so FG has to be 4 centimeters for this ratio to be 2 is to 1. So I know FG now. Now हमें GC निकालना है. GC निकल जाएगा तो AC भी आ जाएगा. अब GC कैसे आएगा? Look at triangle CFB, this triangle. This is CFB, right? this triangle. This triangle is CFB. CFB. Now इसमें BF के parallel ये line है. This line is parallel to BF. So we can also say that triangle CGE, this triangle is similar to triangle CFB. CFB ये दोनों सिमिलर है. और अगर ऐसा है then CE is to BE. CE upon BE will be same as CG upon GF, right? So this is 1:2 and this is CG upon GF is 4. So I know now CG is how much? 2. So this is 2 centimeter. Now we know all the dimensions to get to our answer, which is AC. So AC will be 8 plus 4 plus 2, and this is how much? 14 centimeter. Very beautiful question. A very easy question, a question which you can do orally if you know how to complete the figure. If you can sense that, and that sense, that instinct will become sharper only when you practice enough. So let me summarize this and give you, an idea as to how to solve this question very easily without writing anything. See, this question was like this. This is A, this is B, this point is C. You have this point as E, and then you have this is F, this is D, right? Now see, if you get a sense of drawing this line, say EG, if you have drawn EG parallel to DF, now AD is to DE 2:1 था, तो AF is to AFG भी कितना होगा 2:1. तो अगर ये 8 है इसका मतलब ये कितना होगा 4 होगा, तभी तो 2:1 आएगा. Now similarly ये वाला ट्रायंगल CGE और CFB भी आपस में सिमिलर है, तो ये 1/2 है, तो इधर भी 1/2 होगा. और 1/2 कब होगा? जब CG 2 हो जाएगा. तो 2/4 1/2 और इधर भी 1/2, तो ये 2 हो गया. सो 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14 centimeters is the value of AC. A very easy question which can be done in seconds, provided you know how to complete the figure and you get the idea that this question is based on the similar triangle concept. So I hope you have gained something. The first takeaway is that sometimes questions are not complete. You have to complete the figure. Once you complete the figure, you will get the idea as to how to solve this question. So this was based on similar triangle concept. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.